And so, my dear brothers and sisters, this is what the Lord wants us to do. We need to go an extra mile to counter the world with the values of the kingdom of God. Even be instrument of God's love and grace to those who hurt us. Even that person does not deserve the grace of God. Today, Jesus challenged us that our standard and norms in life should be anchored in the values of the kingdom of God and not to what the world dictates. Yes, it is difficult. Normal human as we are, it is difficult to love, to pray, and not to get fair justice to our enemies. But it is not impossible. It is difficult, but it is not impossible because of the grace of God. This is what is expected, and this is what is expected of us as children of God.